Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt another what I eat in a day video. It's been a very long time since I made one. I stopped making them because the internet is cruel and has decided that fat people don't deserve to eat anything, and if we are eating, we must be doing it to lose weight, which I am not. So this is my what I eat in a day as a fat person who's eating whatever the hell they want and not trying to lose weight. Okay? If you don't like that, I'm just gonna say this right out of the gate. If you don't like that and plan to leave a nasty comment, or even one you think is helpful and constructive, or one with all the calories counted out in it, just know I will delete it and I will block you. I kind of forgot I was supposed to be filming this, so I already ate my breakfast. But I'll tell you what I ate. I did it while I was on a work call anyway, so I wouldn't have been able to like tell you really or like talk to you because I was concentrating on learning about a lender, a bank, mortgage lender, so couldn't have like discussed it with you, right? I want to set this down, but everything is too short to like set you on. That is too tall, I think, but okay, maybe it's not too tall. I just have to sit up. I am still in my pajamas because I was not on video for this. Learned interesting things today about EQ Bank, or Equitable Bank. So that was great. I love learning new things, and that's basically all I do all day now is learn new things about stuff I would have never known anything about. So yeah, mortgage agenting is going well. Haven't closed a deal yet, but it's like only been a couple weeks. Anyway, besides the point, what did I eat? Okay, so I ate I would pull them out, but I think there might be yogurt residue on it. 4 Amuza string cheeses. These are 1,000 times better than a cheese string, in my opinion. It tastes like actual cheese and not plastic. It's twisty and fun. I like both of the flavors, which is like mozzarella and then the marble one. They're delicious. My dog also likes them, and every time I open one, she literally will come running from across the room. She just like hears the package rip open and she's like, give me some, and will sit next to me until I give her some or eat it all. And then she doesn't believe that I ate it all and will sit next to me longer. So yeah, anyway, then I ate an Oikos Greek yogurt. It was the lemon meringue flavor. I switched between these and the Liberté Mediterranean whatever strawberry, except the strawberry, like and they only come in big tubs, those ones. I mean, you can get them in cups, but I have to strain all of the chunks of strawberry out so I don't gag on it while I'm eating. And it's a lot of work, and then I end up eating the whole like 2-cup size tub, and I have a stomachache afterwards. But it's totally worth it because it's freaking delicious. These are much easier to eat because there's no chunks, for me anyway. I have a lot of problems with like textures of food. If something slimy goes in my mouth, I immediately have to spit it back out or I'm going to gag. So like that might be TMI, but like also it's just the reality of what I have to deal with when eating. So anyway, and then also there is like a granola bar. It's a Nature Valley, one of the crunchy roasted almond ones. So yeah. Oh, and I ate a Tic Tac. I leave it on my desk because like sometimes when I get bored doing something, I find it really hard to concentrate, and so if I put one of these in my mouth, it gives me an extra thing to do at the same time so I can concentrate better on what I was doing. I don't know, it's probably like an ADHD thing. Yeah, I also brought down an apple with me. Haven't eaten it yet, but I will, because I brought it with me down here so that I could work and not have to go back up for more food later. I mean, it's 11:15, and also I have my English coffee cappuccino in here. It's the Hills Brothers like drink mix. I wish there was an easier place to get it than Walmart, because oftentimes they're sold out, and then I'll see it again, or my mom will see it again, and she'll buy like 4 containers of it. I have to stockpile, or at one point in time I will never be able to find it again. Anyway, this stuff is delicious, and it's also in my drink happy thoughts tumbler. I got it from Tailored to You Creations, or Tailored to You, I don't know, I'll link it in the description. She makes a lot of like sublimation stuff, and she designs all of these things herself, and I've had a couple tumblers from her. The last one I made the mistake of leaving stuff in for way too long, and I was just like, you know what? I would rather die than open that lid. So I just bought myself a new one. I'm sure we've all done that with a reusable coffee cup at some point in time. All right, I've now rambled for 7 minutes. I'm gonna do this. I am going to do some work. I have to film some content for my mortgage agent Instagram, and I'll catch up with you when I eat something else besides the apple that's already on my desk. I'm so hungry. It's like 8 p.m. and I'm so hungry. I'm still sitting at my computer. I think I'm gonna go make craft dinner. I guess I'll bring you guys with me, because I'm not bringing the craft dinner down to my room. I'm also cold and tired. I did not cook this enough. I definitely messed up cooking this. Some of it is still crunchy. So, guess we're getting different dinner. This is weird. I'm left-handed. Hello, hi. It's the next day. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Something weird is happening with my ear. It feels like it needs to be popped. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I've been on an airplane. I have not. In fact, I just woke up from a nap. Oh, that would explain this, actually. Nope, I did not fix it either. Okay, cool. Guess we're just rolling with it. All right, so I feel like you guys couldn't really hear me in the clips over my dinner, and the TV was quite loud, and I was trying to be quiet and sneakily film my dinner in the kitchen, because whenever I film where my family is, they're like, what are you doing exactly? Why are you doing it? Anyway, so I was going to eat craft dinner for dinner last night. Turns out we just had like these jumbo boxes that are more servings in them left. And normally I could probably get like 3/4 of a regular box of craft dinner if that's all I'm eating for dinner, okay? But this jumbo box, I didn't cook it right. So you can cook craft dinner or Kraft mac and cheese. They're not the same. One is Canadian, one is American. One tastes bad, the Kraft mac and cheese, and one tastes good most of the time. I forgot that I was cooking the jumbo box and only cooked it as long in the microwave, which you can cook in the microwave, as a regular size box takes. And some of the noodles were still crunchy when I mixed it all up. The Kraft dinner was gross. Gave some to my mom, which she didn't even eat all of, or maybe she did eat hers. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. She is not the subject of this video. I am. I ate like 5 mouthfuls of that Kraft dinner and then decided, no, I'm not eating any more of that. That's gross. Then I finished a container of salted caramel. It was like Chapman's vanilla bean frozen yogurt. Yes, I am eating a Musa string cheese right now. Because I'm hungry. I'm gonna talk to you. This video is about food, so ate that instead for dinner, which is not the best, but yesterday was one of those days for me where I was very hungry, but almost every single food I looked at gave me the ick just like thinking about eating it. I am definitely like, I could live on snacks, just snacks. I don't need meals necessarily. I do like cooking, but it has happened my whole life that if I end up cooking a big meal for like everybody, or I guess not a big meal, like a full meal, for everybody, and like get it all out, done, served, up on a plate, whatever. By the time I've sat down to eat mine, I'm like, I literally can't even stomach eating this, even though I'm so hungry. This piece is going to my dog. Hey, Abby, you want the cheese? I know, we shared the cheese. So ate that, and then my mom started eating like a bun, like a buttered bun, and she couldn't finish it. I don't even really like just plain bread, or like things like that. There are some people who are just like bread people, right? Where just like everything is delicious when it's on bread, or just plain bread and butter. I am not one of those people, but I was like, yeah, I'll eat that, okay, because it was already done. She just like handed it to me. And that's what I ate last. That's what I ate for dinner. Along with all my food quirks. I was definitely still hungry, but the bread was enough to like convince my stomach that it should stop grumbling. So enough so I could go to sleep. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if I will make these what I eat in a day things a regular occurrence again. We'll see how this one is received and how much nonsense I have to delete from the comments. But anyway, I know you guys like them, and the ones who stick around and are nice, this is for you, because like filming what I eat and me eating is not like an experience that is easy to do. But also I do know that people with eating disorders, trouble eating when they're alone or without other people in the room, or other disordered eating habits, find it easier to eat when they can have someone else eating with them. So if that's what you're using this video for, totally cool. If it helps you, then that's great. I'm gonna leave it at that. Please be kind. And oh, the sun is going away. Okay, so now that I've waffled on for like 10 minutes, which I will definitely be editing down, thank you all so much for hanging out with me and leaving me nice comments and sharing this video and liking this video, turning on the notification bell, you know, all the things. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.